but we're gonna talk about whether or not Tati is wrong. Is Tati wrong? I don't know. We're gonna find out right now. Oh, little baby, this is boring to you, huh? I'm sorry. All right, hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Lucy, and this is Lucy by California. Today, I'm going to be trying out the Zoeva foundation. This is my second time that I'm trying it. I saw the Tati video about 2 weeks ago where she talks about a bunch of foundations that she's tried, and I was shocked to see that she didn't like this Zoeva foundation. She said it was patchy. So I don't know. I tried it once. I thought it was great. I did an Instagram story about it when I did it. Hey guys, so today I just wanted to share with you that I wore a new foundation. It was the Zoeva Authentik Skin Foundation. It's bomb. Like, I wore it 2 hours less than I usually do for work day because we went in a little bit later today, but I like literally have no creasing anywhere. Like, it's bomb. I wore it with the TATCHA silk canvas. So I don't Okay, what I was saying was, I don't know if it's the combination of them, but it's bomb, and this dog is very upset right now. And I thought it was amazing. So we're gonna try it today, and we're gonna see if second time is the charm or if it's bad. Okay, so I've got little baby hairs that are crazy at the top, so that's happening. Little baby is over here burrowing a bed. There may be dog food chewing in the background. You might hear my boyfriend yelling about his game. You know, a lot can happen right now. Alrighty, so we're going to be trying the foundation today. The primer that I'm going to use is the TATCHA Silk Canvas Primer. I feel like this is the best primer to use for any foundation, no matter what your skin type. Right now, my skin is more normal to dry, so I use this much right there, and if I need more, I'll put some more, but I don't want to cake too much on my face because I feel like it doesn't, you don't really need that much. I might have even gotten too much because, oh yeah, we're looking a little whiter than I usually do. But that's okay because I lean more towards the drier side of skin. So I don't think that it's gonna be that bad for me. But the last time I used this foundation, I did use the TATCHA Silk Canvas as a primer. All right, so I'm going to be using a Morphe Y6 brush for foundation. They were supposed to discontinue this brush, but I think it's still on the website. I don't know. So I don't think that they are discontinuing it. It's bomb. So we're going to apply, and we're gonna see, is Tati wrong? Is she wrong? I don't know. Is she ever wrong? We love Tati. This is so not a dig at Tati. I love Tati. This is not anti-Tati. This is a thing that I'm gonna ask. Is Tati wrong? Do I think Tati's wrong? You may think she's right. And because you have different skin, maybe Tati's skin is a little bit different. I think maybe she is a little bit more oily than I am. So let's see. Let me put a headband on. We're gonna see how it feels on the skin. I'm gonna see if I think it's patchy under these lights. Last time I wore it, I went to work. I work at an office. So let's see if maybe the lighting was playing tricks on me, but no. When I used it, it did not crease in my smile lines. And usually all foundations will crease in my smile lines. I'm not feeling the patchiness of it or anything like that. I feel like it's pretty, it feels really good on my skin. And I'm gonna grab a concealer and we're gonna do the rest of the face, and then we're gonna see how this is. So we'll be back. I'm not gonna put too much concealer on. I'm just gonna really put it on the parts of my under eye that kind of indent in, and then we'll put it in, you know, the highlight places also. Little baby really wants to be in this video. I am using the Authentic Skin Foundation from Zoeva in 130C. It's called Determined. And I usually go for neutral colors. So I was very, I was curious to see that I ended up being on the cool side, and I actually just picked this out from online, ordered it, and it ended up being perfect for my skin, I think anyway. So yeah, and I'm using the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in Vanilla. This is a bomb concealer. Blending it with the Morphe M536. This is the Under Eye Bullet, I believe it is called. I'm gonna set the rest of my face with the Kylie You're Perfect Perfecting Powder. It's a light, I feel like it's a light coverage powder. For your face, it definitely is for lighter skin. So I think that they should come out with a You're Perfect Perfecting Powder for a medium and a dark skin tone, and probably more than just one for each of those. We're gonna use next the Marc Jacobs Tantastic, the Omega Bronze. It's in Tantastic. And I will also use the Jouer Blush Duo, and it is the it's the summer, cheeky summer edition one. I got it with the Tan Lines kit. For the bronzer, I'm using a Morphe M527. This came from the James Charles brush set. I will list the tools and the products that I used down below and link them so you know where I found them. This is the Morphe E4 blush brush, and I'm actually gonna just kind of dip into both sides of this blush, and we shall put that on. I'm gonna do the eyebrows, and I'm using the Kybrow by Kylie Jenner, of course, and in medium brown. Oh, what the heck? Okay, good times. And I'm using the Kylie brush also for the brows. I'm gonna be using the Alien palette by Jeffree Star. First time using it, very excited. I'm going to use the Anastasia eye primer. First time using this too. I'm going to use Gravity. Haha. And so far, I'm still very happy with the foundation. Not really seeing much creasing happening. I'm gonna use the same brush, and I'm gonna dip into Martian Soil right next to it. And I'm gonna go ahead and do the bottom lash line with this Area 51 purple. We're gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid eyeliner for this look. For my mascara, I will be using pretty much it's fake lashes in a bottle. The combination of Lancôme primer with the Scott Barnes Pumped Up mascara. This is fake lashes in a bottle. You don't need falsies when you're wearing these two together. So I'm gonna go ahead, finish my liner, put this on, and we'll be back. All right, so here is the finished look. Thank you, Vion. Okay, I finished with the Jeffree Star Alien palette on my eyes, and then I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeliner, and I used the Kylie lip kit in Snow Bay. I also used 2 different setting sprays. So the Luminous Dewy Mist by TATCHA, which I feel like really kind of melds everything together, and then the Kylie setting spray, which I feel like really makes your makeup last all day long. I don't know if you think using both of them is a little excessive, but I don't know, I just feel like the combination of them for my skin anyway really works out. So let's talk about the foundation. I really like it. So in conclusion, Tati was wrong. I hate to say it, and I love you, Tati. Also, I'm so sorry about my hair. It's kind of doing its own thing since I bleached it because it's like fried. You know, rarely do I disagree with Tati, but when she said that about the foundation in her video, I just couldn't agree because I didn't have that experience with it when I wore it last. I'm not having that experience with it right now. I don't think it had applied patchy. I've been wearing it for maybe an hour or so. I've had to let my camera cool down a little bit because it overheated. So I think that it's really great. I think it doesn't look patchy. I think it looks natural. It's creaseless for me, so if you have a normal to dry skin type, I feel like this foundation would work for you. Be careful when using powder if you are drier. If you're oily, this might not work for you. Maybe Tati's a little bit oily, so I think that just depending upon, you know, your skin type is how this is gonna work for you. This is available at Ulta, so I recommend going in and seeing if they have it available for you to try first. I got really lucky and I looked at the Zoeva website. I kind of compared the pictures of the models to like me, picked the one that I thought was closest to me, ordered it. It ended up being a decent match in my opinion anyway. Maybe some people might disagree, but I like the way that the color looks on me. So I give this 5 stars. It's gonna be my rating scale, I guess. Yeah, 5 stars. Tati was wrong. I am sorry, Tati. I love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. You're great, but you were wrong. The foundation worked for me. So we'll go and look at Tati's videos and we're gonna see what else Tati's wrong about. I think that will be a fun little thing that we could do on our channel. Not to pick on her or anything, but I love Tati, and you know, let's just examine what she likes and what she doesn't like and see if it works for me or not. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell so you could get notified. I also am on Twitter, I am on Instagram, and I'm on the new app called Firework. Check it out. It's got 30-second videos. You can just kind of swipe through, see what you like. It's a new platform, so I think it's really up and coming. It's gonna be really cool for new influencers, so you should check it out. I'm gonna have the link to my Firework in my bio. Download the app from that link. Do it. Bye everybody. Thank you for watching.